Imagination is the creative force behind all that exists. Neville Goddard.
Life is not a random series of events, nor is it a struggle against forces beyond your control. Life is a game in which you are both the player and the creator. To win this game, you must first understand its rules. The most important rule is that your inner world shapes your outer world. Everything you experience in life is a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. Once you grasp this truth, you hold the key to mastering the game. The first step in playing the game of life is to recognize the power of your imagination. Imagination is not just a tool for daydreaming or escaping reality. It is the creative force behind everything that exists. Every invention, every work of art, every scientific breakthrough began as a thought in someone's mind. Likewise, every experience in your life begins as an idea or belief in your consciousness. To change your life, you must first change your imagination. Your imagination is not limited by the physical world. It operates in a realm where anything is possible. When you use your imagination deliberately, you can create any reality you desire. The key is to focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. Too often, people spend their time worrying about their problems, imagining worst-case scenarios, and dwelling on past failures. But when you do this, you are playing the game of life to lose. You are using your imagination against yourself. To win the game of life, you must train your mind to focus on your desires. Picture your ideal life in vivid detail. See yourself living in the house you want, working in the job you love, surrounded by people who uplift and inspire you. Feel the emotions that come with this reality: joy, gratitude, peace. The more real you make this vision in your mind, the more likely it is to become your reality. This is not wishful thinking. It is the creative process in action. But imagination alone is not enough. You must also align your beliefs with your desires. If you imagine a life of abundance but believe deep down that you don't deserve it, your beliefs will cancel out your imagination. This is why it's crucial to examine and change any limiting beliefs you hold. Ask yourself, what do I believe about myself? What do I believe about life? If your beliefs are not in harmony with your desires, you must change them. Changing your beliefs is not as difficult as it may seem. It begins with awareness. Once you identify a limiting belief, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this really true? Where did this belief come from? Does it serve me? Often you'll find that your limiting beliefs are based on past experiences or things you were told as a child. But just because something was true in the past does not mean it has to be true in the future. You have the power to create new beliefs that support the life you want. At first, this statement may feel uncomfortable or even false, but with repetition, it will start to feel more natural, and eventually it will become your new belief. When your beliefs align with your desires, the game of life becomes much easier to win. Another important aspect of playing the game of life is the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true will become your reality. This is because your assumptions shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions, which in turn create your experiences. If you assume that life is difficult and full of struggle, that's what you will experience. But if you assume that life is easy and full of opportunities, you will attract circumstances that reflect this belief. To use the law of assumption to your advantage, start by identifying the assumptions you hold about yourself and life. Are they positive or negative? Do they empower you or limit you? Once you've identified your assumptions, consciously choose new ones that align with the life you want to create. For example, if you want to experience more abundance, assume that abundance is your natural state. If you want to experience more love, assume that you are worthy of love and that love is all around you. It's important to note that your assumptions must be consistent. You cannot assume abundance one day and lack the next and expect to see positive results. Consistency is key to winning the game of life. This means that you must guard your thoughts and be vigilant about what you allow into your mind. If you catch yourself entertaining a negative thought or assumption, immediately replace it with a positive one. Over time, this will become a habit, and your reality will begin to reflect your new assumptions. One of the most powerful tools in the game of life is the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means living in the state of having already achieved your desires, even if they haven't yet manifested in the physical world. When you feel as though your wish is already fulfilled, you align your inner state with the reality you want to create. This alignment is what attracts your desires to you. To practice the feeling of the wish being fulfilled, start by closing your eyes and imagining your desire as if it has already come true. How do you feel? What are you doing? Who is with you? Immerse yourself in the scene as much as possible. The more real it feels, the more powerful it is. Hold on to this feeling throughout your day and let it guide your actions. This is how you play the game of life at the highest level. Another key to winning the game of life is persistence. The game of life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way, but these are not signs of failure. They are opportunities to grow, learn, and strengthen your resolve.
The most successful people in life are not those who never face challenges, but those who persist in the face of them. They understand that every setback is temporary and that persistence is the key to overcoming any obstacle.
Persistence means continuing to hold onto your vision even when circumstances seem to contradict it. It means maintaining your faith in the power of your imagination, beliefs, and assumptions, even when the outer world does not yet reflect your desires. It means taking action towards your goals, even when progress seems slow. When you persist in the game of life, you eventually reach a point where your inner reality becomes your outer reality. It's also important to cultivate a sense of gratitude in the game of life. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your state of mind and attract more of what you want into your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what's lacking and towards what's abundant. This shift in focus creates a positive energy that attracts more positive experiences into your life. To practice gratitude, take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This could be anything from the roof over your head to the people who love and support you. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you will find to be grateful for. Gratitude is not just about feeling good. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and attracting more of it into your life. As you play the game of life, it's also important to trust the process. Understand that everything is unfolding in perfect timing and that your desires will manifest when the time is right. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that everything you need will be provided. When you trust the process, you release the need to control every detail and allow things to flow naturally. This sense of trust creates a state of ease and flow, which allows your desires to manifest more effortlessly. One final key to winning the game of life is to enjoy the journey. Life is not just about reaching your goals, it's about the experiences, growth, and joy you encounter along the way. Don't get so caught up in the destination that you forget to appreciate the present moment. Each moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and experience life fully. When you enjoy the journey, you bring a sense of playfulness and lightness to the game of life, which makes it more enjoyable and rewarding. In conclusion, the game of life is a game of consciousness. It's about mastering your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions to create the reality you desire. By using your imagination, aligning your beliefs with your desires, assuming the best, feeling the wish fulfilled, persisting in the face of challenges, practicing gratitude, trusting the process, and enjoying the journey, you can win the game of life and create a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. So take a moment to reflect on how you're playing the game of life. Are you using your imagination to create what you want, or are you allowing circumstances to dictate your reality? Are your beliefs aligned with your desires, or are they holding you back? Are you assuming the best, or are you expecting the worst? These are the questions you must ask yourself if you want to master the game of life. If this message resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that this content is making a difference. If you're new here and want to learn more about how to master the game of life, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message, and let's spread the power of these teachings together. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences on this topic. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found value in this content, subscribing ensures you'll stay connected and continue to receive insights that can transform your life.